Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a business finance highlight using lighting effects in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and load an image where the business message needs clear focus. I pause here because finance visuals must guide attention carefully. I duplicate the layer first to keep control. Now I go to Filter, then Render, and open Lighting Effects. I slowly move the light source toward the key finance element. I reduce the intensity so the highlight feels refined, not aggressive. I zoom in and check numbers, charts, and important business details. I soften the transition between light and shadow to keep trust intact. I zoom out and feel how the focus naturally pulls the eye. Now I add